everyone, it's Heidi, and today I'm going to share with you what we got in our February Young Living Essential Rewards order. I'm going to do the unboxing, and so I'll just kind of pick stuff out and tell you what I know about them, and hopefully it will help you in making your decisions about what you want to get from Young Living. First one I picked is Omega Gize. This is a great heart supplement. It also has vitamin D in it. So it is good for your immunity too. So kind of vitamin D probably helps your heart too. So this is a good supplement to have. My husband uses this all the time, so he's running low. So he's got that restocked. And then we also got some Young Living toothpaste. This is the Denturom Ultra. This one I think is one of the cheaper ones. There are some that are like whitening toothpaste and other things, so look through those, but the Thieves toothpaste is really good for dental health, for your gums, that kind of thing. We use it all the time. And then I actually scanned for this one. This is called Cell Light Magic. So this is good for your cells, obviously. I use this, which I've never used it before, but it's for those cells that maybe are a little bit fat. And so I'm going to be using this after like every couple days, just kind of rubbing it on those areas that need to have some fat cells either moved or cleansed or whatever. So that is the Cell Light Magic. It smells really good. It has grapefruit in it, so it really helps your mood too, and can help your skin and help you with that. Then I have Lavender, Peppermint. Well, I'll do these three. Lavender, Peppermint, and Thieves. These are just ones that I seem to order all the time. Lavender is great for skin, for sleep, for relaxing, for just all kinds of stuff. Look it up. I can't really say a whole lot of it sometimes, but the most things that we use it for are diffusing at night for sleep and for skin issues and things like that. And then Peppermint is so good for so many things. Good for boosting your mood, for your sinuses, for your stomach, for your muscles, joints, all that kind of thing. It just really helps your whole body. So if you're going to get one oil, I would get Peppermint. Thieves, of course, is good for immunity and just helping your body. And then I got also just restocking Pan Away, great for muscles and joints. And then also restocking Breathe Again. I think it was last month or the month before we got the big 15 milliliter bottle of Breathe Again, and my husband started using that and really likes it, puts on his throat. And so I thought, well, we'll have to get some more of that. I think I have one of these too, so wanted to get another one just to have that on hand. It has a lot of good eucalyptus oils in it, and good for breathing, obviously. And then this month I decided to try the Vitality Drops. So you get a 3-pack. These are all the grapefruit bergamot flavor. And oh my goodness, these are so good. I will not have any problem drinking water in the future. Not that I do that much have problem, but so what you do is you just shake it up and you open it up and you just do like one big squeeze into a big cup of water. And it tastes so good, smells so good, and I am just going to be drinking it constantly and probably been drinking tons of water now. And it does have stevia in it, so it has a little bit of sweetness to it. So it's like drinking a really nice tasting lemonade, grapefruit type thing. It's just really, really good. So I definitely would recommend those. And then Mega Cal Plus. I definitely need to be taking calcium. I do take it, but this was in stock at this point. So I ended up getting this also. Young Living has essential oils in it. It has a good balance of the calcium and magnesium that most of us, all of us need, especially me. So calcium's really good to take, so I'm taking that one. And then I think the rest of these, with all of that I ordered, this is just, normal stuff that we need. I ended up getting 5 free oils, and these are so, I'm like, wow, Young Living is really good to us. So I'm going to go through them a little bit one at a time, just to give you an idea of what they're good for and why you would want to get these. This is Sacred Frankincense. This is great for diffusing and calming. It comes from Oman, so it's pretty rare around the world, and so Young Living has gotten it. So it is very good for sleep, for your skin, good for meditation. If you want to know a lot of things I can't say about it, just look up on YouTube Dr. Suhail, Suhail, and find out what he used this oil for. So it's a really calming, enlightening kind of oil. Then One Heart, this is a blend of essential oils. I think this was for maybe one of the conventions in the last few years. I can't remember exactly. This is to celebrate joy and unity of connection. So this is for when people come together to help them be unified, which, don't we need that now in these days? And this one has a ton of different oils in it, like Valor, Northern Lights Black Spruce, Ylang Ylang, Jasmine. It's just a really uplifting oil. It helps with confidence, it helps with calming. It's just a really good thing. I think it would be great for every family to diffuse in their house, you know, several times a week or whatever. So this is One Heart oil, and that's a blend. Then we have Stress Away. This is the large bottle of Stress Away. This one came free this month, and this is called, sometimes it's called Vacation in a Bottle. It is really calming. If you're having a stressful day, put it on your wrists, you know, wherever you need to, diffuse it. And this can really help, even if you diffuse it like with orange or vanilla. I've heard that that's really good too. So Stress Away does what it says. So that's also a blend. And then we have Ylang Ylang. This is balancing male and female energies. It also combats anger and low self-esteem. So if you deal with that, you might want to get this one. It can also help to battle stress and help support focus. You can put it on your hair. It helps to give your hair some thickness and body. Also is good for your heart. And so, yeah, and again, for Valentine's Day, all that kind of thing too. Ylang Ylang, good for male and female. And so that's one that we got for free. Young Living always knows what we need, don't they? And then Patchouli, don't use this one a whole lot, but this is, I'm learning more about this one, so I'll be using it more. This is good for your skin, good for those lines that you don't want to be there. You can put it in your moisturizer at night, you know, a drop or two, and then mix it in with your moisturizer and put that on, so that can help with your skin. It's also good for emotions like jealousy, insecurity, relaxing. It can help you with sleep, so you put diffuser or apply or whatever. So that's a little bit about what you can use patchouli for. So that is my unboxing for this month. And the cool thing is you can actually get these free oils twice in a month. So you can put it, if you have an Essential Rewards account with Young Living, you can put it in with that order and then get those oils. And then if you want to place a shop order, a one-time order that month, you get most of these oils. I think there's only one of them that would be only an Essential Rewards one, but that you at least get those 4 oils again if you did a second shop order. So there are 2 ways to get all these oils again for free twice. So I hope this has been helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and keep using your oils. They're going to be really good for your body and for your family. Talk to you later. Bye.